Hi, welcome to Assist channel. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how you can use Assist as an employee claim system. Let's imagine for a moment now I'm an employee. I've made some purchases on behalf of the company and I need to submit my claims. So the process starts with as follows. As an employee, I have all the various receipts that I've received for business expenses. I will need to email to Assist. So I would have been provided an email address to submit my documents to. So let's start with an employee view. So as an employee, I start off with my email. I compose an email. So in this case, I'm going to submit it to the claims department. This is an email address given to me for claims. So I need to just attach my claims. Let's take a look. I've got some receipts here. Some of them are taxi rides. Some of them are restaurant bill, for example. So let me just submit a few. I can choose to submit individually as and when I incur those receipts, or if I prefer to kind of submit at one go, I can just attach them all at one go and then just submit to the system. Okay, and then they are submitted. So what happens in this case, my company says that there is a cut-off date by the 8th of each month. I need to submit all my claims so that after the 8th, my claims will be processed. So what happens is the Assist system on a monthly basis will, after the 8th of the month, he will submit send me a claims report. So by opening up this claims report, I can actually review all the claims that I've been have submitted to the system in the past 30 days. This is the employee claims report. So this is the employees view. So next, I want to show you the bookkeeping function or the finance department who is going to process this claim. So this is this step right now. So I'm going to now log in to Assist as an administrator to look at the claims that my employee has submitted to Assist. Let's look at the Assist interface. This is the dashboard. So you can see that there are some claims that have been submitted. You see the category is claims. So the sender is this email address. So it's this employee who has submitted these claims. So as an administrator, I will want to verify the information extracted by Assist for all these various receipts. So let's take a look at this one for Vole. So on the left is the image of the receipt itself, and the right is the information extracted by Assist. So my activity here is focused on validating that the information is properly extracted. So the receipt date, 29th of September. This is a receipt in Singapore dollars. The total amount for this receipt is 342.10. So this is the supplier, and if I wanted to, I can go through the various line item over here. If everything is in order, I can click the can be sent button to submit this to my accounting system. So I'm going to proceed to submit since I verified that this is okay, this receipt. So I will continue to do this activity for all the various claims. So let's take another example. There is a Grab ride receipt. So this is a Grab. The total amount is 1735. Right, the line items. If everything's in order, I'll send it to my accounting. Okay, next one, there is also a taxi claim. Right, taxi claim 33.4. Okay, go ahead to send. This employee even happened to do a pay now transaction. Let's see. So in this case, I noticed that the amount didn't reflect, so I can just edit that. This is claim. I will save this. And then, okay, invalid line item. Let me check. Okay, there is no description. I could just put a line item. This is payment transfer. Let's add an item. Okay, line item, just put $1. Save. Okay, succeeded and can be sent. Okay, successfully sent to zero. Let's take a look at my zero dashboard. Business, bills to pay. So in zero, I can see there is some difference. Over here, those with a company name, this is a payment for a company. Whereas when I see an email address, I know that this is a reimbursement claim to that employee. So let's take a look at just now one of the invoices that was submitted, this one. So we can see that the receipt was also forwarded from Assist to the accounting software. The line items are all here. If it's okay, I can save it. And when it is time for payment, whoever's authorized to release payment can release it from the accounting software. So this is how you can use Assist as a employee claim system as well.